presentation here, I would request the humble presence of Mr. Vivek Gupta, Sales Head from Prophaze, to please join us here on stage. Let's welcome Mr. Vivek Gupta with a round of applause, please. Thank you, sir.
So namaste to all. Last time also we came onto this event, I think it happened into Nehru Place, and that time my CEO was there. So that humble background, he started that program, and even I was also part of it, right? So we are a Prophaze, and we are quite new organization into cyber security. तो we are क्या है, हम शुभमन गिल हैं नए जमाने के. तो एक जमाना था सचिन तेंदुलकर का, और अभी एक जमाना है शुभमन गिल का. तो what we call ourselves that we are of that generation. So what we are offering you is complete web application and API security platform. So हम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, करते तो हम application के लिए हैं, चाहे वो IT infra है या कुछ भी है, ultimately that is application. But somewhere we haven't given that security to the application. Every time we were talking about आलू प्याज, endpoint security and network security. तो अभी का टाइम है talk about application security and API security. So that is a bigger market right now, and everybody is focusing onto that, and some companies are just having WAF, somebody is having API, but what we are talking about, layer 7 security platform, that is a complete platform we are offering to the customer, to the partner, and even it can be taken as a MSP program itself, right? And the beauty of the product is that it is built onto the microservices architecture. So you need to go and check how many cyber security products are made onto microservices architecture and what is the benefit of microservices architecture. Because that is the need of our right now. And if you want to protect your applications from new kind of attacks, in that case you need to have a right designed architecture cyber security product or solution. You cannot run or you cannot get best of the car features with old chassis and old engine. Every time you cannot bring all those models with new features, and you are saying that you are not changing your engine and chassis. What I am saying that we are giving you completely new platform. The beauty of microservices is that today there is an attack and I am finding it out. I can go back and see my complete solution and I change my code, I am ready with that. So that is the beauty. I need not to go for US and Israel for do that activities. We are an Indian company and we are making a lot of sound into the market right now. To go to the next slide, I would like to tell you one very quick story, and it happened 3 months back, 7th of April. There was a group, anonymous Sudan group. They were having a Telegram group and having 10,000 people, and they polled, and it was a politically what you can say motivated group. So they polled that they want to attack onto that Indian critical infra. So they said that where we should attack, airports or healthcare. Everybody polled airport, and this information came to the your dark web. I don't know means how many cybersecurity players saw that or didn't saw that. The very next day, on 8th of April, 3:30 p.m., the attack started. And the result was that attack was on Mumbai airport, Kochi airport, Airport Authority, Delhi airport, Hyderabad airport. Only 2 airports were survived, rest were down. And how that was saved? That was saved by Prophaze. And all those players, all those websites were behind all Gartner listed products. So that is what we are trying to talk about, that Mr. Vaishak, who is the CEO and chief architect of the company, and Lakshmi. So he built up the whole thing from the scratch. And today we are right now competing with all major players into the market, and it is a make in India, and the kind of value we are giving, that is great. So we started in 2017 R&D part, then we registered in 2019. So we are very new. Again, we came up in 2022 with a beta platform. And in 2021, we onboarded the first customer, and that first customer was from US. They came and they asked for Kubernetes WAF. I think nobody knows about Kubernetes WAF. Then when we saw Indian market, even Indian market was not having any understanding about Kubernetes WAF kind of a thing, and then we made a complete SaaS platform of web application security. Then we went back and we saw that the customer are on-premise. Then we made a virtual appliance for that. And now in government also we are facing some challenges. Being an Indian OEM, we are finding that they need a hardware appliance, so we are thinking about it. So on 2022, KuppingerCole, you might, if you read it, it is just like Gartner from Europe. They given us a most innovative company in terms of WAF, and we are with all the Gartner players are there, and we are there. So that means that the technology is great, and we are going to give you a lot of value. Value in terms of cyber security, in terms of governance, in terms of security, in terms of price. So here we are talking about MSP model. So whenever you are going at the customer place, then again everybody talk, even Kinshuk ji talked about, and everybody talked about the price value is getting higher. So here what we are trying to do is that we can make those things under the price get control, and the customer should get a better services. And not only KuppingerCole, even DSCI gave us an award on 2022, and after that, in 2023, we acquired 60 plus customers. So that is our journey. And right now, 2023, we safeguarded a very big organization from that attack. So this is the attack, about that attack, and the beauty of that attack, even that the customer which I am talking about, we coexist there. There was another WAF OEM, Gartner WAF OEM, and they were dropping the packets when this DDoS attack happened, and they asked, please do something. Have you seen any product at the time of live attack? Can you protect it? We changed from one Gartner product to our product within 5 minutes, and we survived that attack. That is the speed I am talking about. Within 5 minutes, I can protect you. That is in the time of war, in the time of attack itself. So right now we are headquartered in India, having Kerala and headquartered in Kerala and having office in Gurgaon and partners in 9 plus countries. And we are having customers from US, from UAE, from Europe, and our first MSP model is running in Europe. That is the beauty of our solution itself. And currently in India, we are having a lot of customers listed and even small. So even we are having an NGO kind of a customer, and we are having an aviation industry customer. We are also having a fortune teller company also, because they understand their business web application security for NGO is important. For a fortune teller company, they are getting all the information about anybody. So that is there. So what we are having here, we are not confusing the customer. We are saying that we are going to give you a platform which is having a behavior based security. So the product itself is built onto the positive security model. It is having a behavior technology. I am not waiting for signatures and rules to protect you. It is on the fly. The product is having a behavior technology to protect your applications. That is the strength of the product, right? And it is completely AI/ML, and I can protect the DDoS from layer 3 to layer 7 onto the cloud itself. You deploy your application, whether in India, in multiple cloud, anywhere, I will be giving you a single dashboard, and you take care of your all applications. Even I can take care of your CDN part. Even we are coming with the DNS security. A lot of problem with the customer that their DNS is hosted with somewhere else. So now we are bringing it in India, and this product would be having a DNS security also. So even it is having a software based load balancer. If you want on-premise, I can give you in the virtual appliance part, and a very, very great bot protection solution is there, the CAPTCHA and even JavaScript. So when we protected this DDoS attack from anonymous Sudan, so into that we did a CAPTCHA-less technology within 5 minutes and protected that attack. So currently we are having these good clientele And so we are having Ramco Cement, Dr. Agrawal, TCI. So from different groups we are having a customer, and they are trusting us and they are renewing us. So till now we haven't lost any customer. So that is the beauty of the product itself. So we have got Kappinger Coal Award from NASSCOM DSCI, and just now, even before coming to this event, I got my award from DCIS. It was a 50 lakh fund grant again, and that we got it, and I just got a certificate of it. Before coming here, I was into TCOE office itself. So any questions? So no issues, we can interact and offer all partners. We are here. So with me is Nishant and Namrata is here. We are having booth outside. We can integrate. And this is my credentials. I'm Vivek and I'm heading sales, my number and my email ID. So we can connect back and take it forward. Thank you. Thank you.